Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Esther, and if you're new, please subscribe and join the #GoTo squad. And if you're not new, thank you so much for clicking to watch another one of my videos. So today's video is a mini vlog because it's like half of the day right now. It's like 2:19. So I'll be restocking because on my website the crystal gloss is sold out, and I'll also do a stock take and check which other gloss is sold out, and I'll make more, but it's mostly the crystal gloss. And I also have new products. Anyways, by the time you guys see this vlog, the new products will be up on the website anyways, so I can show you. So that is basically what I'll be doing. I'll be making some lip glosses. I don't have any orders today, so I don't need to pack any orders. I'll just be making sure that my website is up to date and whatever. So yeah, let's get started. I'm excited. Here are a few things that I use. This is the bag where I keep my scents. I have more. This is my all my containers, some lip gloss tubes, and where I put my highlighters. I just keep them in shoe boxes. And this is my glitter and stuff. This is my syringe, and yeah, I think that's it.
2,000 years later.
I got it open. So I filled up my syringe now. Don't mind the purple in there, it will go away very soon. So I just take my pipette. The actual making of the gloss doesn't take ages. It's just the filling of the tubes that takes forever. Anyway, when I'm somewhere, I would come back to update you guys. So the time is 3 o'clock, and this is what I've done so far. There's a problem with this thing, like it keeps coming out, so I have to hold it down. And so yeah, this is it. After the time is 3:43. So this is, I think it's about 20. Now I'm changing my gloves to cover it. I just need to cover it, and that's it. I could not make the baby girl because the syringe was acting up. So guys, I'm finally done with the lip glosses now. It was a greasy mess, like everywhere is greasy. By the way, always put like a newspaper on your table if you plan on making lip gloss on. This is the lip glosses. So we made 23 glosses. So let me just introduce the lip scrubs to you guys. So this is Tutti Frutti, and it just, ta-da! It's just the rainbow inspired lip scrub. Next we have strawberry. This is strawberry. Don't mind my ashy hands. That is strawberry. And at the back here we have orange. We have candy floss. This one is my favorite one. Just looks like that. And lastly we have apple. This one literally smells just like apple. It smells so good. So yeah, So those are the 5 flavors we have. All of it, I'll be putting them on the website tonight, so stay tuned. The next thing left to do now is to restock the highlighters. I have them ready. Let me show you guys. Another shoebox. This is literally all that's left out of 30. So we have Lustrous. Focus. Anyways, you can see we have Lustrous, Showstopper, and Glorious is sold out. That's what we'll be packing today. And after that, I need to pack the little bags that we put the orders in. I need to make them ready as well, because it just makes the order packing process a lot easier. This is the name stickers. I'll be sticking them back under there, and be putting my logo at the top before putting the actual product in. So yeah. So for the highlighters, if you're not careful, it'll get everywhere. So protect your hands, protect wherever you're working on, so it's not going to get everywhere. Mainly touching the container, just look at that. This is Glorious, by the way. Just look at that. The Glorious highlighters will flash on. You can see how shimmery they are. They're so cute. All that's left for the highlighters is to just add my stickers on top. So to make it extra secure, I got this decorative tapes to just put on the edges to make it less susceptible to being opened, maybe mid shipping or something. So that's what I'll do now. So the next and the last thing I'm going to do for today concerning the business is to pack some order bags. So if you've ordered from us before, you know you get your product in this little baggies with a hair bubble and a lollipop. So that's what I'll be doing, and a thank you card. So that's what I'll be doing. By the way, I printed this, I designed this myself, as well as the lip scrub top things. So I'll just be packing the bags. I'll pack a few bags on camera and do the rest off camera. So I'm done now. I packed 10 bags. I know it's not enough, but better than none, because I don't have any left. Actually, this is not the last thing I'll be doing. I'll be restocking my website, like be putting the product live, and I'll be adding the lip scrubs. So far this is all I've done. Let me tidy up everywhere a little bit and I'll be right back.
Years later.
So guys, this is what my website is currently looking like. This is the Showstop, the highlighters. As you can see, Crystal Gloss is sold out. We have Shameless, Baby Girl, Boss, Royalty, and Vicky Lashes is sold out as well, but that's on its way, it's coming. So that's basically what the website looks like. Actually, I need to, because someone bought this yesterday, I need to just make sure there's less than 1. So now I've got 5 in stock and save. So I just need to add the lip scrubs and add some pictures as well, and I'll show you what the after looks like. It's really late now, so this is what the website looks like. Just click on shop now, and there we have it. There we go. That's what the lip scrub. I added the pictures and I put coming soon because I'll be doing that tomorrow, and this is a bit more expensive than the rest because of the charms on it. So yes, I high five myself because I've done really well today. This is our shipping prices. I need to do that. I need to change that to one to 2 working days because it's first class. I do first class now. Actually, let me just do that right now. So yeah. So this is me. This is what I look like. It's been a long day. I think it's been about 6 hours. It's been about 6 hours of me doing my own. It's been about 6 hours of me doing my website related things, and I'm actually glad I could get some things done. I just need to mark it off in my to-do list notebook. I don't know what she's doing. I just need to tick it off. By the way, this is my notebook. I just need to tick it off. It feels fulfilling when you get to tick off your to-do list. It actually does feel fulfilling. So that's a lot of things that I've done today. That is all for today's vlog.
Stay good, stay positive, stay good, stay positive. See you guys next Friday. Bye.
Next Friday. She's not well.
No, stay.
Stay positive, stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay motivated, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And don't forget to drink some water and mind your business.